Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to upgrade OpenJDK 17 to OpenJDK 21 on Rocky Linux. I am using Rocky Linux 9.5 version operating system on my machine. This step-by-step guide ensures you don't miss any configurations like setting Java home configuration alternatives for both Java and Java compiler, and verify your setup with a sample Java program. Before we start, note that some older application might not be compatible with OpenJDK 21 or even a newer version. If you are managing production environment, always test the upgrade in a staging environment first to ensure compatibility. I have taken access on my Windows machine. I am using SSH client MOBA Xterm. Let's check the version of operating system. This is Rocky Linux 9.5 version. So first let's verify the Java version currently installed. It's OpenJDK version 17.0.13. This command shows the current OpenJDK version. In my case it is OpenJDK 17. So let's install EPEL Repository and update the system. Make sure the EPEL repository is enabled. It's often required for additional packages. Run command sudo dnf install EPEL release. Enter the sudo password. Update the system. This command download and install the required packages. Now install OpenJDK. This command download and install the required packages for Java 21. You need Java 21 OpenJDK D-level package also if you plan to compile Java program or use Java development tools. Java 21 OpenJDK package provides the runtime environment JRE for running Java application, while the Java 21 OpenJDK devel package includes the development such as javac, Java compiler, Java doc, and other utilities required for building Java applications. If you are a developer or intend to compile Java programs, install D-level package as well. If you only need to run Java application, that is server-side Java, then you can skip this. Next, check the alternatives. Grep Java. Here you can see I have installed 21 version, 17 was already there, as well as the 11 version is also present. If you don't require, we can remove JR11. So let's configure Java alternatives for both Java and Java compiler. After installation, you need to set OpenJDK 21 as a default for both Java and Java compiler. To do that, run the command alternatives. So here you can see on my screen, Java 17 is by default set and configured. So select the number 3, select the number corresponding to OpenJDK 21. So this is 3, press enter and configure Java compiler executable. Java compiler. So similarly select OpenJDK 21 for Java C. Press 2, select 2 and press enter. This ensures that both the runtime Java and the compiler point to new version. Now let's set Java home and path variable. First, let's get the Java path. You can use the uh, following command to get Java instruction path, which you can easily copy and use while configuring Java home. Readlink -f which Java. So now it is by default configured Java 17. We need to switch it to Java 21. Let's edit the file. Bash rc. In previous sessions, we have mentioned Java 17 OpenJDK. Now we will add Java 21 OpenJDK as a path, source bash rc, readlink-f. It is pointing to Java 21 and Java version. It is also pointing to Java 21. Echo dollar Java home path. It's Java 21. Here in this command, which Java identifies the location of Java executable, and the read link -f resolve the symbolic link to find the actual installation path. And we have all added Java home and the path details in bash rc, and also we have verified here. To ensure Java is accessible system wide, we need to set Java home environment variable in bash rc file. here in this file bash rc, add the path to OpenJDK 21 and update the path variable and source command to reload. We added both the lines java home and the path. Source bash rc command instruct the current bash session to read and execute the updated content of the bash rc file. No need to relog in. If you don't need to run source bash rc command, then you need to relog in to the bash shell so that it will read the updated content from bash rc file. To ensure these changes, java home and path are immediately reflected in the current terminal session. For that purpose, we run source command. After that, we have verified the installation by running java command. Once again, I will show you. This is Java 21. Compiler is also Java 21. Echo Java home is also set. Now let's create a sample Java program. We'll create a sample test.java. We'll copy paste this sample Java program. Save and execute. Save and exit. Here we have the file. Let's move this to the home directory. Here we have the file. Given a permission. Earlier it was a root, so now we are given admin user permission. So let's compile and run the program by using javac. Compilation is done. Then java test. Java 21 setup is working. The output should display this Java 21 setup is working. So before upgrading, remember that some older application might not support newer Java version. Features or behaviors from Java 17 may have been deprecated or modified in the Java 21 version. To ensure smooth transition, test the upgrade in a staging or development environment first. Check application compatibility with Java 21 by reviewing the Java 21 release notes. For legacy system, plan a rollback strategy in case issue arise. So keep OpenJDK 17 installed as a fallback option. You can switch between various versions using sudo alternatives. Uh, this should work. Oh, sorry. I forgot to give the command sudo alternatives. It should be config and followed by Java or javac. We have already done this step. You can rewatch this video. And that's how you upgrade OpenJDK 17 to OpenJDK 21 on Rocky Linux 9.5. We have covered installation, configuration, verification, and also we have done the testing. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your network, and subscribe for more videos on Linux and DevOps topic. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.